Discover top-performing tools with our guide to precision electronics repair. The best hot air rework station ensures efficient soldering, desoldering, and component replacement. Learn how these stations deliver consistent airflow, adjustable temperatures, and reliable performance for hobbyists and professionals alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Yiwa 938B-2 Hot Air Rework Station. The Yiwa 938B-2 Hot Air Rework Station is a reliable choice for electronics enthusiasts and professionals seeking precision and efficiency. With a rated power of 740 watts, it delivers strong heating performance while maintaining consistent temperature control. Its hot air gun operates within a wide temperature range of 100 degrees C to 480 degrees C, making it suitable for various soldering and desoldering tasks. The soldering iron complements the unit with a temperature range of 200 degrees C to 480 degrees C, providing flexibility for both delicate components and larger electronic parts. One standout feature is the soldering iron sleep mode, which conserves energy and extends the lifespan of the heating element. Yiwa has designed this station with user convenience in mind, including adjustable airflow and intuitive controls for precise temperature settings. Compact yet powerful, the 938B-2 is ideal for hobbyists, repair technicians, and electronics students who need consistent performance without taking up excessive workspace. Number 2. Atten ST862D Hot Air Rework Station. The Atten ST862D Hot Air Rework Station is designed for professionals who demand high performance and versatility in soldering and desoldering tasks. With an impressive 1,000-watt power output, it provides rapid heating, reaching the desired temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius in seconds. The unit features a large airflow capacity of 120 liters per minute, which can be adjusted through menu-style operation, with fast access temperature and air volume keys. The LCD screen clearly displays operating temperature and status, enabling precise, real-time monitoring. It supports straight wind and spiral wind modes for optimized airflow direction, while the plug-in heating chip design allows for quick replacements. Advanced functions such as automatic sleep mode, temperature lock, and timed work enhance efficiency and protect the device. The closed-loop sensor ensures accurate and stable temperature control, unaffected by airflow changes. Number 3. Quick 857DW Hot Air Rework Station. The Quick 857DW Hot Air Rework Station is engineered for precision electronics repair, offering rapid and reliable performance. With a power consumption of 580 watts at a twin-turbo DC motor, this unit delivers stable airflow of 50 liters per minute, ensuring even heat distribution for delicate soldering tasks. The temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius is quickly reached in just 3 seconds, allowing efficient workflow and reducing wait times. Its intelligent sensor technology and LCD display provide real-time temperature monitoring, while the automatic cooling and delay shutdown functions protect sensitive components. The station is ideal for working with SOIC, QFP, PLCC, BGA, and other mobile electronic components, offering precise desoldering without damage. The soft, double-vortex airflow design prevents disturbance to nearby parts, making it suitable for welding plastic components or repairing intricate circuit boards. Number 4. Sugon A9 Hot Air Rework Station. The Sugon A9 Hot Air Rework Station is a highly intelligent tool designed for precision soldering and complex electronics repairs. With a maximum power of 120 watts and a temperature range of 100 degrees C to 450 degrees C, it allows fast and accurate heating, making it ideal for fine-pitch components and multi-layer circuit boards. The station is compatible with multiple soldering handles T115, T210, T245, and JBC tips, giving users flexibility depending on the size and type of solder joint. The built-in dormant metal ring activates sleep mode automatically when the handle is placed in the stand, saving energy and extending the lifespan of the heating element. The software-controlled temperature system ensures consistent and precise heating, while preset memory settings allow quick switching between common temperatures. Number 5. Mechanic 957DW Hot Air Rework Station. The Mechanic 957DW Hot Air Rework Station is a robust and efficient solution for electronics repair and soldering tasks. Designed with a built-in ceramic heating core, it offers rapid heating with a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. The unit supports adjustable airflow in 8 gears, delivering soft and controlled hot air between 100 liters per minute to 120 liters per minute, suitable for delicate components as well as larger solder joints. Equipped with a magnetic switch, the station enters automatic sleep mode when the handle is placed in the holder, conserving energy and prolonging the heating element's lifespan. Noise levels remain below 78 dB, making it comfortable for prolonged use. Its intelligent digital display allows precise temperature monitoring and adjustment, while its compact design ensures a manageable footprint on any workbench. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.